Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 1 over s multiplied with s to the power of 2022 plus 1 ds. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We add s to the power of 2022, so it means we need to minus s to the power of 2022. So this one divide this one, so you got about 1 over s, and we have the negative. This one divide this one, so you got about s to the power of 2021 over s 2022 plus 1. Next, the integral of 1 over s, you will get about ln of absolute value of s, the integral of s to the power of 2021 over s 2022 plus 1, you will get about 1 over 2022 multiplied with ln open the bracket s to the power of 2022 plus 1, and we put about c is about constant. That's the end. Thank you for watching.